Hello there, welcome back. Let's look at the next example. Many experts believe that in regions near the North Pole, people's not being exposed to the sun during the long winter, this can cause a vitamin D deficiency. Let's look at the options. People's not being exposed to the sun during the long winter, so this is the same as the given option. People's not being exposed to the sun during the long winter. For people to not be exposed to the sun during the long winter, or the lack of exposure to sun during the long winter. So this is a very golden rule here, that when you look at BEING, you can clearly get rid of that, because BEING always signals the wrong answer. Why it signals the wrong answer? Because the moment you start using BEING, the sentences will normally become too long. It will be too wordy. So you can clearly get rid of answer options that use BEING. So I can look at the options here and I can see that there are three options. I think there are three options. No, there are two options that are using BEING. People's not being exposed, clearly wrong. People's not being exposed, clearly wrong. Now let's look at option C. So we have clearly eliminated option A and B. We are stuck between C and D. Let's see which option could be used here. For people to not be exposed to the sun during the long winter, or the lack of exposure to sun during the long winter. We have already seen a concept there, that when you see two options giving you the same thing, you choose the one that is more concise. Concise would mean to the point and also short, because the SAT prefers concise statements. So option C can be clearly eliminated because this is longer than option D. So we are left with option D, the lack of exposure to the sun during long winter. So let's read the sentence. Many experts believe that in the regions near the North Pole, the lack of exposure to the sun during long winter can cause a vitamin D deficiency. Now this sounds perfectly right. So D is the right answer.